Welcome to the Port of Miami, and we are going to follow the road signs for Terminal A, which is Royal Caribbean's terminal. Terminal A, cars only. They are doing some construction here, so we are now missing the luggage. And after you drop your luggage off, we'll show you the rest.
Well, here's the back of the Freedom.
Oh, you go right here. All right, that guy was confused.
He was just pulling us and he was like, hard stop.
All right, let's get out. We're gonna do a quick jump out and hope we don't get hit.
Thank you very much. Make sure you have your vaccination information and passport.
All right, thank you so much. Both lanes for him. He's going on a cruise. He doesn't care.
He's going on a cruise.
He's going on an ocean cruise and he doesn't have a care in the world. That's all right. He's going to park his car. I hope he realizes that he's got to do the loop around to get up there. All right, so it does not say right here, but you're going to loop.
Right there.
Yep, and you're going to go right back. He is a little upset because he definitely was coming this direction and he missed his loop. All right, so right up here into the parking garage, super easy. Welcome to the Freedom of the Seas. It is 10:47 in the morning and our check-in time is from 10:30 to 11, so Austin and I are right on schedule. All right, we got our ticket. All right, so it's gonna be $28 a day because we are on a 4-day cruise. We have a lot of boarding pictures, so we're gonna bypass, right? We got lots of cruising boarding pictures. We need some new type. Whoa, I almost tripped. And when I say I almost tripped, I did trip. So careful, watch your step. What you do when you step on board, which we're about to be onto the outdoor deck, we are going to look for muster station C8. We're going to show them that we checked in on the app already and watched the videos. And once we do that, we're on our way. We're going to check in Izumi and schedule all our dining times. And then we're going to the Playmakers
For lunch?
Yes. All right, so that literally took about 30 seconds of our time. And now we're gonna step right inside, and Izumi happens to be right here. Reservations! Izumi is pretty cool too. We are so excited about this.
Hello.
Hello. That was so fast. We are now gonna head on down the elevator. What deck is? No, we're not. We're not heading down the elevator. We're confused. We actually are going to Playmakers. Playmakers is right around the corner. I forgot.
On the other side of the Casino Royale?
Yeah.
Just made a video about that. Go watch.
I love this. We're going to cruise through Casino Royale. The kids are not allowed in the casino at all, but you are allowed to cruise on through to get from one side of the ship to the other with them. And since the casino is pretty much the only route on deck 4 to get from the front to the back, that's what we need to do. We're heading into Playmakers for some lunch. And then from there, I think we're gonna go hit some water activities.
Water activities.
Yeah. All right, so let's see what they have. Scan menu, scan it up. How do you do it?
I have to be logged in.
They also have a list of all of the games that will be played during this sailing. And oh, we brought us a menu, thank you. I think we probably know what we want, right?
Chicken sandwich and fries.
All right.
So, no garlic sauce or anything on the fries, just plain fries. And can I also get some ranch with that, please?
The regular nachos. Super cool waiter, but I took his name down because I took a picture of the card on the table that says Diego, and he's not Diego, he's Florin. So I took a picture of his name so we don't forget him when we're doing our survey. Check this out, we got Playmaker fries and nachos. All right, buddy. We're just waiting for Austin. He went into the bathroom really quick. He's changing into his bathing suit, and then we're heading on up to the Flowrider. Hi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh. You're through.
Yeah, easier at the surfboard level, yeah.
All right, this is Mackenzie on the Flowrider.
He's a beast. Look at me. Bring your best side.
What you think?
It was fun. It definitely wears you out when you're doing a lot of tricks, but Flowrider, I always like to do it on the cruises once or twice, but the line's getting pretty long, so we were just gonna do it once and then.
What are we gonna do? Head on down to the hot tub, the pool?
Yeah,
Check out the water slide, maybe?
maybe.
All right. All right, we just arrived at our room, 8556. We got an inside cabin for 2 on the
Oh my god, upgrade.
on the casino comp, and woohoo! We got a little bit of an upgrade.
Whoa.
All right.
Room.
Our door. Inside, whoa, we have a ladder. Oh wait,
Where's the light?
oh my gosh, this room is for 3 people. Austin, we could ask him to take the bunk down. You could sleep up top. Hey, I didn't even know that this room was a triple room. I had no idea.
Did you pay extra for it?
I mean, I didn't even ask for this room. I have no idea.
So we got an upgraded room for free.
We got an upgrade on our upgrade.
So
Hey, we're doing pretty good. I had no idea that this was even a triple, and I'm usually up on my rooms, but not on my game apparently. So here is our little handy dandy bathroom.
it's pretty big.
It's honestly perfect though, and it's like little medicine cabinet. You can keep all your toiletries in here if you'd like. And oh, we got a nice shower head. They must have just changed these out because we were just on here last week in a similar room type, and it was kind of a very small shower head. And I know a lot of people were complaining about those, so they might have replaced them. Well, we are doing amazing in this room. Woo! Way to go, Royal Caribbean. Upgrade shower head. All right. So, let's see, we got a little sofa and our phone nightstand with some little drawers to put your stuff. Overhead lighting. These are nice too. It's got like a little night light, little reading lights on here. So that's cool. I like that because then you don't have to wake somebody. You just hit the lights. I'm super excited about this, guys. So we will show you.
You're excited because you get this full bed.
I'm so excited. Well, we were going to have them split the bed, but we're not going to split the bed.
You'll
We're going to throw Austin on the top. This is going to be so awesome. He's getting the bunk. No, this is really cool because then I'll get to show you guys what it looks like. And we love having the bunks. We haven't had a bunk in a room in a long time.
So
Hey, we're gonna get to show you guys what it looks like when they open up the cabin doors because our cabin steward, he did not close the door. We're not gonna go over and show you the room, but look. So when you get a connecting cabin on the balcony, you can open the balcony door in between. There's a divider that looks just like this. It's here, they open it up, and then boom, you've got your connecting balcony. Okay, Houston, we've got a problem. I am out on the balcony, and normally there's like a little thing that you can turn to open the handle to get back inside. And I'm so confused because it's not. There's nothing here to open the door. And Austin went inside, and he also left. He left the room, went inside and locked the door. Unintentionally, I'm sure. But the problem is, I'm locked out. This is crazy. So when we went on the Wonder of the Seas, no joke, I got locked out of our stateroom and the kids were all out on the balcony because the door slammed shut. Now, I am literally outside on the Freedom of the Seas and I am locked out. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do here. How does this even happen? Oh my God, and Austin just left to go to the sail away party. Not even kidding, like this is no joke. Like I'm locked outside. I have no idea how to get in. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to you. Let me see if I can call like Royal Caribbean. Ask them to let me in. All right, so I tried calling Austin to let me in, but I don't have reception out here on the balcony. The reception never works. I tried calling him, it connected, but then now it's disconnecting. I tried to yell for somebody to call down to guest services, but nobody could hear me. So I guess I'm gonna be out on the balcony until Austin comes back. Austin said he was going to the sail away party. So I've been out here for about 30 minutes. So I hope he comes back soon because it's hot out here and I'm getting a little thirsty. Oh good, so Austin just got back here. What in the world. Hey, Austin.
Yeah?
When you left to go upstairs to the sail away party, let me ask you a question.
What?
Did you lock the balcony door?
I did, but I didn't realize because usually there's like, it unlocks and locks on both sides, but this time it's just a handle on me.
When you leave the balcony, what are you not gonna ever do again?
Lock the door.
Yeah, because you know what? I was stuck on the balcony.
Hey, we're moving.
Yeah, we're moving. Squirrel. Okay, well that's cool because I was just locked outside for the past hour on our balcony, and it's. But also, when you close the door, this is what you're supposed to do. Normally, you close it and you lock it, and you put the handle down. And when you do that, it makes it so the air conditioning doesn't turn off. That's how it is on every other ship. When he came in, he naturally knew to close the door and lock it. But what we didn't know, and we just learned about an hour ago, it's not funny. He's like spitting his water out. He thinks it's really funny. I'm glad you're hydrating, buddy. I'm glad you're hydrating and think it's so funny that your mom was just locked outside for an hour.
I wasn't laughing, I was joking.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, so the inside of this ship does say, for your comfort and convenience, to please keep balcony door closed to preserve your cabin's air conditioning. This also conserves energy. It shows you the door operation to rotate the handle. You just simply turn it up. This one also, actually, this is an older one. This doesn't have the safety lock up on the top. So if you have little ones, I don't know, I would be careful with this balcony room. But anyway, you've got the door handle here, so you just rotate it, and that's the problem. So it locks, you know. But then from the outside, on most ships, they have this handle that you can just turn. On this ship, you can see, it's just a solid handle. So if you're two people and, you know, and normally, I get it, you know, when you come inside, you don't really need to lock the door if somebody else is already out there. But on the newer ships, you do have to close the door and lock it. Open, locked. For your comfort, door must be locked for air conditioning to operate. But how ridiculous is that? So if you are outside on the balcony, your room is going to get warm. I mean, you can clearly see you get a straight handle on this side. Why would they tell you that you have to keep it in the locked position? You're supposed to rotate the handle so it closes the door. And then on the opposite side, you do the same thing. You rotate the handle and you come inside. This is crazy. I've never experienced this before. I don't know if all of the rooms, I'm gonna ask our room steward. FYI, if you go out on the balcony, make sure you're gonna have a way in. All right, so Austin and I are headed to
Hibachi!
Hibachi night!
What?
Yeah! Alright, so we are heading on down. We're all dressed and dapper and ready to roll. I don't think we've ever eaten this late on a cruise ship for our dinner. What do you think?
I don't think so.
This is a late. Yeah, so we're just sitting here talking about what we're going to do tomorrow. And then we're sitting here like half asleep, so we need to wake up. Looks like everybody around here is half asleep, actually.
We'll wake up once he's clanking all the knives around.
Yeah, once the knives get clanking, yes, that's right. The show's going to start, and then we'll all be wide-eyed and bushy-tailed, ready to go.
How's everybody doing tonight? Good, okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into Izumi Hibachi. Good evening, come on, sing everybody.
I think it's looking pretty good so far.
I think it's looking pretty good too.
It smells good.
The garlic, right?
Vanilla ice cream. Yay.
Added more garlic.
More vanilla ice cream. Yay. That's garlic butter, cholesterol free. Yeah. Everything is fat for tonight. Okay.
All right.
So don't be surprised. All your food have a garlic butter. That's our ingredient here in Hibachi.
We had a very good day. I think we did well today.
I think so too. I think we had an amazing first day of a 4-day cruise. We did so much today.
Yeah, in the first half, and then the second half kind of slowed down.
I think once I got locked out on the balcony, we started to kind of chill out a little bit, right? Yeah, we lost our vibe. But what was your favorite thing about today?
My favorite thing was either the sail away or...
Oh, of course. You like the sail away. Oh,
hibachi.
was the sail away your favorite, Austin?
It was.
That's funny because I missed the sail away.
That's funny.
You know where I was during the sail away?
The balcony.
I was locked out on the balcony, so it's kind of it's ironic that that's your favorite part of today. The one part that you are locked out and away from your mom. Okay, that's awesome.
It would have been good if you were there.
I know.
I just didn't know you were locked on the balcony.
Okay, I'm trying to think of what my favorite. I think my favorite part was actually watching you on the Flowrider today. I think that was my favorite part. Yeah, you did so good, and you just had so much fun out there, and the Flowrider instructor was super awesome. He was so nice and helpful. Yeah, good day though. Good day and all. See y'all on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and see where we're going next. Bye for now.